Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Google Drive is unable to process this video, then here are the solutions. Now, the first one is to check the size of the video if it's too huge. Now, ideally, one may say that Google Drive has a certain limit to the file size that one can upload. And if you are doing it within that limit, it can upload it. But the fact is that I have tried and tested this. It doesn't happen each and every time. So if it is a huge file, then avoid uploading it. Okay. If it's like 256 GB or above, then I mean, I think that is a limit. But even if the file is 113 or 114 GB in size, one may not be able to upload it easily. I don't know the reason, but this is what happens with me. So you can try to bifurcate the file. The next one is to check the storage in the drive. So this is where the storage is present, where I am hovering my mouse. If it doesn't work for you, then you can click on get more storage and then acquire more storage through Google One. They have their own plans here. This is what I do, and it's not very expensive these days. And the last one is to check the internet connection speed. So just go to fast.com and hit enter. And you can check the internet connection speed here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.